Welcome back everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to balance your tracks to get that perfect slope. Let's go! Okay, so here we are in the sequencer again, and this is the song we're going to mix. So the first thing I do is I solo the kick so I can see what the maximum volume is of that kick. So the kick is on the lower end of the spectrum and the hi-hat is on the higher end of the spectrum. So I solo the hi-hat to see what the maximum volume is of the hi-hat. So next I turn down the volume of the hi-hat until I get a nice slope compared with the kick. Usually it's about 20-25 degrees or something like that, but there's no real rule about how many degrees it should be. Just pick a number. So when I'm done setting the volume of the hi-hat and the kick, I get a nice slope, and now all the instruments in between I try to align with that slope. And when I'm done, this is what I end up with. So there you go, a consistent mix every time. See you in the next one. Peace out. Rewind the gun, let me forward. Request it, so we rewind.